Hi, it's Anne from the Useless Crafter. All right, so I got this SVG file from Creative Fabrica. As you know, I'm now working with them a little bit. Um, I am constantly looking for things that I like, and I still want it to fit into the kind of things that I normally would have done, but that I don't have to, create from scratch. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoy this. I am liking. Um, their library quite a bit between fonts and files. So anyway, all right. So this cute little SVG file, I'm going to turn into a cake topper. And I want to add to it because usually, you have the cake topper, you want to add a name, maybe a number. In this case, we don't need to add a number because we already have the one clearly stated there. But I do want to add a name. So what I would do is, so this file is all together like this, right? I love the little banners with the name in it. So let's go over here and go to images and search for banner. And I've been told that you should not search for plural. So like if you type in banners, although let's see, you're supposedly you would get less. You might, and okay, it's a little funky. Let's go back to just banner. I heard banner is better. All right. So I have used quite a few of these, and I'll show you how I use them because I do think these are super, super cute. Let's do, since it was already on there, let's click this one and insert. So here's our little banner. And would I do that? You know what? Let's do a different banner. Hold on. Let's go back to images. Let's do this one. I think that one might be better. It's a little flatter right here, so it doesn't get into the one in a melon. All right, so we can kind of do it like this, or actually, let's look at one more just in case. Let's look at this one, or take that back, this one. And let's see which one we like more. I feel like this one I can kind of, mm, mm, I think this might look good. Okay, so let me get rid of this one. And I like the idea of doing like adding a little pink because I feel like a lot of watermelon themes, I'm losing my mind into this quarantine, is usually like pink and red too. So I like the idea of this, and I'm going to let's duplicate this because I want the inside and the outside. So let's make the outside match the same red as this red. And then on this one, what we're going to do is we're going to contour and we are going to, let's hide all. So this is going to be a piece of paper, and then this one is all connected and it's going to sit on top. So click on this one and go to arrange and send to the front just so that you can see what this looks like. And I want this in like a super pale light pink. And it's going to go like this. Okay, and then this I'm going to have sit on top. So send to the front. I think when I piece this together, the in a melon is going to sit on top of the banner. And that way this doesn't get cut off at all. And then we can put the name here. And I feel like I want maybe I wonder if we should do this in a green. That looks cuter, right? Okay, I think it was too much red. Okay, and then what we can do is we can slice out a few or have a few seeds maybe out here, or even do, let's look at some images. Let's see what we have for watermelon. Oh, there's some cute ones. We want easy ones that we can cut out. Um, Trying to see if there's one that we really like. Oh, this is kind of cute because we don't have a lot of green. This is cute as well as, oh, this is very similar too. So let's just click on both of these and see what it looks like. And insert. And so I kind of want to be able to add like something over here and kind of just, um, and what I like a lot is when we layer this, I'm going to put like either a foam sticker on the back of this, or even right now I'm out of foam tape. So I've been taking tissue paper, cutting out little balls and rolling it like this to add the depth. To add the dimension and to give it a little height. And so it pops out and looks really, really good on a cake topper. So this is kind of what I want to do is have this and maybe one like over here and kind of sitting on top, right? So let's match. We can match. We'll ungroup this and make it more matching with our theme. And then let's do a text and let's type. I'm just gonna pick one that I know is very. Oh, it's snot sausages, not snossages. All right, and let's do. I always do Charlotte because. Oh, and on this one, we'll ungroup it, and then you can space it, the way you want to. And I would do this like in a um, dark pink glitter or even in black. But oops. So we have that. Everything looks good so far. And now let's size it, okay? So this, I usually like to do my cake toppers. Well, it's going to depend on, your request, right? But I like to make it, I like the background to be 11.5 inches and just make it big. So let's do that. Let's go up here to the width and type in 11.5. And then I also kind of want to give this a background, like a pink, something for it to sit on. So I'm going to show you how to do it in Design Space. So let's duplicate this a few times. And what you're going to do is, because we can't do an offset in Design Space, what I would do is I would unlock this. And let's send to the front just to get an idea. So and watch, I'm going to send it to the back. So it's kind of outlining this a little bit. You can do that with these basic shapes if you don't want to do it in like Inkspace or some other program that we have. So you kind of see what I'm doing. I'm creating my own kind of general background. And I say general because I don't want to make it where it has to be so perfect, but it kind of gives us arrange, oops, send to the back so we can kind of see what it looks like. And then we have one more. Actually, let's just duplicate this one. Okay, so we'll send to the back. And we will make these 3 circles. Here, let's grab these circles and the square and weld it. Oops, as well as this one. Where's my little square? There it is. Square and this. I'm going to weld it. And I'm going to make it, let's make it the same light pink. And send it to the back. So it would look something like this. Now I'm wondering if I want to make the banner a different color now that I made that pink. So this banner right here, maybe we do want it um, a red. Maybe, whatever. I'm not sure. I'm just working with it. But you can kind of see what I mean now by giving it a background. Now this is coming through. So what we want to do is let's just move this up. Unlock it, move it up a little bit. I didn't notice it before. There. Now it's a little bit funky, but you can kind of see how you can do your own offsetting. And then now let's ungroup this so that we can kind of work with this. Oh, this was a cut and print. Darn it. Okay, so I'm going to delete that because I don't want to do any cut and print. I want to do, oh, you know what? Maybe you can. If you want to do cut and print, you can. I've done it before with the princesses. It'll just, you'll send it to your printer and then you'll have it cut. But I like that. And then this one, okay, this one we can kind of like maybe switch this around and have that sitting kind of like on top and then this one on this side like that. So you can make the different colors maybe more vibrant, like a little red, maybe not. Let's see, make that a I don't know how I feel about that, but you kind of get the idea of what you can do here. And then this will all sit on top. So I hope this was helpful. This is just one way to add to your cake topper and then to add layers because I've noticed when you have the different layers, you're just making it a little more unique and just, like a real cake topper. The layers really is what makes a difference. So, all right, I hope that was helpful. Just comment if you want to see something else. And I will see you next time. Bye.